Hello everyone, Dr. Kalani Kachela here, introducing my new series on how following the Bible or the Quran or any other spiritual text may or may not impact your experience of anxiety. This will be a 5-part series, so I encourage you to hit subscribe so you'll get every episode as it drops on this channel. Leave a like, leave a comment below, and we will see you for this 5-part series. I can't wait, and I hope that you will tune in for every episode. Learn how anxiety and religion cross. Learn how anxiety and religion impact you on a daily basis. You may get some surprising results. We're going to look at the science and the research and what do the texts actually say, but what importantly does your day-to-day experience say? That's what you want to know and be aware of. Out of here.